How to increase credit card limit in Scotiabank. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can increase credit card limitation in Scotiabank. So in order to increase credit card limitation in Scotiabank, all you have to do is make sure that the device is connected to an internet service and make sure that you're already logged into your account. Now due to some security concern, the screen is unavailable, so I'm just gonna instruct you. So now first thing, in order to apply for increase to your credit card limitation, from your account page you need to select the credit card for which you actually want to increase the card limitation. So open up or log in into your account, and after that go to the credit card section, and then you need to go and select additional services, and from there scroll down a bit and go to select additional services. Once you've done that, you need to select increase your credit card or line of credit card limit and follow the instructions on how you can actually do that. So in that way you can increase credit card limitation in Scotiabank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.